welcome to a very chaotic, very first episode of my nails series. Today I'm going to be showing you the nails that I came up with for Halloween. They are extremely easy, believe me, these are literally the first nails I've ever done, and I actually got a lot of compliments, so if you want to see how I did this, keep watching. Of course, we have to start off the video with a spillage. I'm super clumsy, and when I do my nails, I have to spill at least something, so there we go, that's some good luck. Since I was a kid, I've always loved doing my own nails, and I also love going to salons to get them done because, come on, the results are always amazing. But since COVID hit, it's been a little bit harder to make appointments and, just leave the house. So I've found it really therapeutic and also time-saving to try and do my nails at home. So first off, I'm using a white gel polish. This one is the ASP brand from Sally Beauty, and this one is pretty opaque. I wanted to use something that was a little bit thicker since this design is only covering part of the nail. I definitely want to make sure that the cuticle is not shown, like the little white part basically, so definitely going to cover it with a few layers of gel. I'm just using the regular polish tip to draw some misaligned little blobs on my fingers basically. So think about a ghost and what it might look like. Maybe has an arm sticking out, or its head is like misshapen, or it's like a little, blobby looking. That's what I try to put on the tips of my fingers. And one great thing about this design is it's super easy. You can literally mess up and still make it look good, so that's why it's great for beginners. I just started using these UV protection gloves with like the fingerless glove style. Not too sure, how effective they are, but in my opinion, it doesn't seem to dry out my hands as much, and honestly, anything helps. Definitely don't want to get, sun damage on your hands from doing the UV and LED lights because, especially if you do this like every week, it can be more damaging to your skin, so I want to stay safe. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations for ways to cut down on any damage using nail products like this. But I think this might be the best method I've found, and you can wear sunscreen. Personally, my favorite sunscreen is the Salt and Stone one. I get mine at Manifest Supply, and it works really, really well. It's like the thickest sunscreen I've ever tried, and I think it's because most of the ingredients, if not all, are super clean. I also love that they're solar powered when they're created, so it's definitely great for the earth, and of course good for my skin, so it's a win-win. If you guys want to check out this sunscreen, definitely check out the link in my bio. I'll have all the products I like to use for nails linked below. Next, you're going to take a dark polish to draw two little eyes on each ghost. I'm using the gelish polish in, I believe it's like some shade of black, and I'm using a dotting tool to get those precise little eyes, and it's definitely pretty difficult. You have to contort your hands in like a weird way to try and dot every ghost, but it turned out pretty cute. To figure out where to put the eyes, just look at the most round part of the design, so where there's like a circular blob, and put two little dots. Now for my favorite part, the decorating, I really wanted to go with like a white and silver tone for Halloween. I got these really cute silver, like galaxy and star themed designs from Daiso for literally $150, so cheap. Add to the ghost scene that we have here, I decided to add some stars and some moons. I just wanted to go a bit crazy with the gemstones, so I chose some more angular crystals, if that makes sense, because I don't know, these ghosts are a little bit scary. They have some weapons with them, so I decided to turn my crystals into like their little pitchforks and, little weapons. I got these new bow designs from Shein, and they are so cute. They look like clay and they have a matte finish to them. I thought that the black and white ones would be absolutely perfect for these nails. I also paid around like $1 for this whole set of bows, so super good deal. I'll have all of the items that I use linked in the description below. I actually posted a teaser of this video on my YouTube shorts, my first time doing this, and you guys blew it up, so thank you. You guys are the whole reason that I'm making this fully extended tutorial. Definitely want to help anyone else who is just starting their nail journey or, is really into beauty, and of course, beauty at a bargain. So if you guys are interested, make sure to like and subscribe for more weekly videos. Oh, Oh, and I totally forgot to mention, I'm a bad YouTuber, sorry, my very first nail video, but the UV lamp that I'm using is the Bio Seaweed UV and LED mini lamp. It is super lightweight and very, very small, so you can literally take it anywhere. I've taken it into the car. No shame. But yeah, it fits 4 of my nails, which is pretty good. I do need to get one, I think eventually, that can fit my whole hand, but honestly this one works super well, and I'm pretty sure it's on the very lower end range. So if you're just trying to get into nails and don't really know where to start and don't want to spend like $300 to $500 on a nail machine, definitely check that one out. It's been working so far really well, and my nails do look pretty professional, so I would give it a thumbs up. Opening yet another pack of designs from Daiso. These ones are already sticky, so that's pretty helpful, and they came in a pack of 3 for $150. I'm using the white and gold designs just because I feel like they'll fit my nails, and also they have a little galaxy alien beam looking one, so I had to choose that. To put on these accessories, I'm pretty sure this is the wrong way, and I haven't gotten any gel nail glue yet, so that's on me. But so far I've been using a base gel, so the same one that I use to make my little Gel X extension nails. That same base gel as the glue, and then to finish it off I've been using the gelish no wipe top coat, and actually the gems and everything have been staying on pretty well. These bows are a little bit harder to put on because they're so flat and the nail is curved, so obviously it's really easy for them to fall off, but so far I've been wearing them for around a week or more, and they've been lasting really well. A really good hack for making it look like you drew on nail art but actually just using stickers is this set from Ciate London. I didn't even know that they had nail art, honestly, but recently after getting into my nails, it's super easy to use these little designs and stickers and just make it look like you drew it on. This pack of nail art has a bunch of different things, from even cow print to flowers, rainbows, and this one is the crown that I'm using. Decided to give the ghost a crown, and I even gave it a little scepter. Okay, we are securing the last gem. I decided to go for this mix gem assortment in an oval shape just because, I don't know, I thought it fit the nail really well and it takes up a lot of space, so here we go. Taking the gloves off, here is the final look. Since these are literally my first full set of nails that I've done, I'm definitely still working on the shape, but I actually love how it turned out. They are really, really sparkly and very festive. They ended up staying on for about a week, so super happy with the final result. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys like this video for more ways to help you live your best life. I also have some other videos up about school and life, so make sure to check those out as well. Thank you guys so much. It was so fun hanging out with you. See you next time. Bye guys.